Hey, welcome to another episode of Shit I Don't Need with Cal Reed. I'm going to go ahead and set up the tent. Pops up in the back of my truck. Wow, that's just hot. Okay. The rain fly I probably will definitely use because it does help it stay a little bit warmer at night. Alright, this is the Rightline gear. Yeah, I don't know. Again, it was on Amazon. I feel like it was about 120 bucks. The instructions are right here. Okay, here's the front of it, here's the back of it. I think I start with the poles now. And these are just like any other tent poles that you have seen. Okay, there probably is an appropriate way to do this, which one to do first, but I'm just gonna go for it. Alright, I definitely recommend setting your stuff up before you get out there so you know what you're doing, so all the mistakes are made privately. And I've set this thing up several times already and still kind of, it's a little bit of an adventure sometimes. Should have watched the brush up video. I feel like there's something on the inside I need to do. I mean, that's really almost it. I feel like there's something I'm missing out on. This guy just kind of comes down and latches anywhere you can get him to latch onto something. About there. I feel like something's missing. Damn it. This is this one right here to keep this thing. Keep that up, is what that is. So, okay, that's fine. I missed the rod, but obviously it would still work like that, and it's still gonna work like that. I'm not gonna take it down to put that back up. Yeah, there you go. All right. Ooh.